Yo guys, how's it going? AK Moto here. We're back with another video, and I'm going to be starting a little playlist series called Garage Work, something like that. So yeah, enjoy the video. So guys, how's it going? AK Moto here. We're going to be doing some work in the garage on the 125. We need to clean her up and clean up the air filter. So I went ahead and put on a twin air pre-oiled filter as well as a GYTR Outwears pre-filter. So we're gonna take the seat off and see how well that GYTR pre-filter really works. I'll leave an unboxing video for all the products used in the video in the description, as well as where you can find them. So yeah, let's get to it. Here you can see all the dirt that got trapped in it. Just imagine all of that being in your phone filter. So let's peel back the pre-filter and exactly see how clean that filter is. Keep in mind the filter, let's get one. A light green, it's twin air, and it is bio oil, so. This isn't a new one, this is just one that I already oiled. So here it is. Yeah, pretty just uniformly green and light green. Oh, look at that. It actually made it pretty clean. I would say the filter would be way dirtier than this. Here, let's just peel all of it back. And if you're wondering where this sits, this doesn't sit on the filter itself. On a Yamaha, the boot has a little lip right here where it goes in. That's where it'll sit. So it covers the filter and the filter seal. Yeah, the filter's dirty, but it's a whole lot cleaner than it would be without this pre-filter. So that's definitely something I'll keep using. And I'll just wash it out using a little bit of water and soap. Nothing too hard to do. So yeah, I'm gonna get the filter off, put it on this twin air filter cage, and yeah, wash the bike. So here's your filter off the bike. Definitely a lot of dust on the top, not as much on the sides. But yeah, let's take a look at the inside. Nice and clean. And here's the pre-filter. Definitely saved a lot of dirt from getting on the filter. And here's the clean, then here's all the dirt. Yeah, let's get this wash cover one piece on. Alright guys, we're just kind of finishing putting on this wash cover here by Twin Air. Again, all the products I use linked in the description. Seals up pretty nice and keeps water from getting into the air box. Or air boot. So yeah, don't gotta put it on too tight. It's nice and on there. Now we're gonna wash the bike. Let's cut to the time lapse. Oh yeah guys, look at that bike. Nice and shiny. Now what we're gonna do is just kind of put the bar pad back on and clean up our Outwears filter. Cause we have a fresh filter right here. We'll go ahead and clean up the cage, clean up the bolt. I have two filters just so we can interchange them, get everything done in one day. So yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, now we're just gonna clean off the air filter bolt and cage. Spray a little bit of Twin Air contact cleaner on those. Get any dirt off. The cage I really don't find to be as dirty, but the air filter bolt right here definitely does get pretty dirty. So yeah, Twin Air contact cleaner definitely does work pretty well. Clean off the bolt. fresh. Yep. Here it's trying to spray a little more in there. Yeah, there we go. Now we're getting that dirt out. Yep, nice and clean. Then we'll just clean off our filter cage. I already sprayed this. We'll spray it again. Then just kind of wipe it down with our paper towel, with our rags here. Just kind of cleaning any dirty spots, which of course there are none because the twin air filter filters it all out, and so does that pre-filter. And if you do notice that you're pulling off the cage out of your filter and the cage is very, very dirty, or just even a little dusty, definitely does mean you need to improve your air filter maintenance a little more. Yeah. Because if the dirt gets past the filter, it'll get caught in the air boot as well as the cage. So, yeah, there we go. Cage is all clean. Now we'll get our new filter on the bike. Alright guys, so we got a new filter put in the bike, and now we're just gonna move on to putting the bike back together, and then we're gonna clean the other air filter. Alright guys, just to show you guys a clip of her running, and if you actually turn up your volume, you can hear some police sirens at the end. I thought that was kind of funny. They're obviously not heading me because I started that back up for like 30 seconds. So she's running great as always. If you take good care of your bikes, always gonna run good. Dirt bikes are dirt bikes. You don't have to get it this shiny, but as long as you keep your air filter going and keep changing your oil, keep up your proper maintenance, you're gonna be good. Your dirt bike's gonna last forever. But yeah, now we're just gonna come over here, clean some stuff up, and take care of this dirty filter. Oh yeah, very, 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 very dirty. We really need to do a lot of cleaning of this one. So yeah, I'm gonna be using my twin air stuff, and I will make another video out of that. So link is in the description, as well as some of the products I used today. So yeah, I will update you guys when I'm pretty much almost wrapped up. So I'm filming that video. This is gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just a quick little video just to kind of show you what I do on Sundays, on weekends, some weekends, clean up my bike and take care of it, like the air filter and stuff. But yeah, and here are the stuff I use. I use some WD-40 for the foot peg springs and the shifter, and anything that'll rust, some Maxima chain cleaner. Every other weekend I'll use it. Every weekend, some chain lube, SD1. This stuff is just a shine for the plastics. That's how I get them nice and glossy. It's my secret ingredient. And some PJ1 contact cleaner if there's any real dirty spots. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. How many hours does the bike have? 5.6 hours, and why not? I'll tell you guys, every 4 hours I change the oil in the bike, and the transmission oil. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. This is my first little shop day, garage day, whatever I'm gonna call it. Probably gonna do a little series on how I service my bike and stuff. Got the filter cleaning in here. We'll let that sit for 24 hours. Making a video, so expect that to come up very soon. But yeah, as always, have a great day. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.